Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha. There is that story that one old woman, she was suffering and she had to collect woods from the forest and sell in the market. So, one day, and she was praying to Krishna, or God, that kindly help me, I am in very poverty-stricken. So, one day, she was carrying that load of fuel, it fell down. So nobody was there to help me. So she began to cry, who will help me? So she began to pray to God, kindly help me. And God came. What do you want? Oh, I say, I am God. Kindly help me to take this burden on my head. Yes. All right. From God she is asking, please help me to get this burden on my head. Yes. So everyone is going. Let my family be very happy. My son be married, may let him be passed, may make examination. But it is the same thing. Give me the burden on my head. This is the prayer. Mudha. Namang prapadante mudha. The life was meant for understanding Krishna and worship Him. And he is asking, give me the burden on my head. Therefore mudha, rascal, fool. He is asking something which will never make him happy, even by merging into the Ifalna, Brahma Ifalna. It will never make him happy. But he doesn't know, therefore he is mudha. Rascal.
That's a very clear example.
Yes.
Very clear.
Yes. Everyone is asking, please help me to get this burden on my head. Yes. Everyone is asking. So mantra means asking nothing from Krishna, but only praying, please engage me in your service. This is Hare Krishna. Now let him engage whatever service he likes. I don't dictate. That give me this service. That is also sense gratification. As soon as I will say that engage me in this type of service, that is also sense gratification. When one surrenders fully, they engage me in your service in whatever way you like. That is pure devotion. You cannot dictate Krishna. Because he wants Sarvadharma, first of all, surrender, then I will give you. I will allot what kind of service you can do. Sarvadharman parityaja mamekam saranam ampasar. But if I dictate, then Krishna will be, all right, you take this. Then he will again become unhappy. Don't dictate Krishna. Be dictated. That is happy. That everyone is dictating. Please give me this, give me that, give me that, give me this. Why should you dictate Krishna? As soon as I dictate, that is my sense gratification. That is not pure devotion. Anna vilasita sunnam. Anna vilasita sunnam. Make zero all your desires. It doesn't matter this desire or that desire, any kind of desire. Whatever you desire, that is material. Anna vilasita sunnam. That is pure devotion.
That takes practice.
Huh?
It takes practice to stop desiring for oneself.
Yes. And
You have to
therefore,
practice.
that practice is that you should simply desire what your spiritual master says. Don't desire yourself. Just saprasadat bhagavat prasad. If you fulfill the desires of your spiritual master, then Krishna will be pleased. Because he is the representative, the immediate representative, boss. If you satisfy him, the master, supreme master is also satisfied. If he gives report, this clerk is doing nice, that is sufficient. Jasya prasadādu bhagavat prasad. This is injunction.
The human life was no advantage. Only because you have come, now it can be advantage.
Huh?
Human life is no special advantage. Only if you come, the spiritual master come, then it can be some advantage.
Yes. Therefore, Vedic injunction is Guru Maiva Vigacche. You must go to bona fide spiritual. If you want to make your life perfect. There is no question whether I shall go or not. You must. That is the beginning of human life. And there is animal life. He has no spiritual master. He is not going to obey anyone. He is working in his own whims. That is animal life. A real life here begins. Tat vijnānātham sa gurumeva abhigacche samitpāni sutriyam brahmanishtam. This is Vedic injunction. You cannot do anything without abiding the orders of spiritual master. That is surrender. How nice water.